priority of most people's focus when it comes to achieving optimal health is nutrition and exercise. But what if I told you the missing link to your health is your sleep? Exercise breaks you down, and nutrition is what gives you the building blocks you need to rebuild and repair. However, that process only happens while you're sleeping. So that means that you need to be getting good quality sleep. So you can't be tossing and turning or waking up at 3 a.m. to pee. Your morning routine is what actually determines your next night's sleep. If the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning is grab your phone or flick on an LED light, you're creating a steep cortisol spike. That blue light that's behind those screens is a signal to your brain that it's noon, when it's actually maybe 5 a.m. So it's confusing to your cellular biology. What you want to do is invest in red light bulbs that you can use before sun rises or after sun sets. The closer we get our environment to nature, the more proficient our cells can be at doing the jobs that they're designed to do. The first spike of blue light that should enter your eyes and land on your skin is from the sunrise. So you want to make sure that you're getting at least 3 to 15 minutes of sunlight in your eyes, and it's ideal to do this around sunrise. What I do is I take a glass of mineralized water, I walk outside, yes, with bare feet, even in the cold because grounding is important, and I stare at the sunrise while I drink my water. Sometimes I'm out there for 2 minutes, sometimes I'm out there for 15. It doesn't really matter, it accumulates over time, so the more time you spend out there, the better, but don't sweat it if you can't be out there for long. To help optimize your circadian rhythm, it's also beneficial to step outside and take some light breaks throughout the day. Because remember, it's the light from the sun that tells our cells what time of day it is, what processes to run, and where hormone levels should be. So taking any time out of your day to go outside and remind your body what time of day it is going to help your sleep that night. We also have to think about what's happening at night. We want as little blue light or green light as possible. So even, yes, that little light on your TV, that is affecting your sleep because we have photoreceptors on our skin that are picking up that light emission all night long. So investing in red light bulbs or getting blue blockers is essential here. That blue light is what spikes your cortisol production and reduces melatonin. So you want to make sure that your room that you sleep in is incredibly dark. And one more thing that you can do to ensure good quality sleep is to make sure it's super cold in your room.